Hi guys, hope you are all doing good. So today we are going to learn about new version of Automation Anywhere A2019. So today we are going to learn how to create a first part in A2019 version. So here we have an action called create bot. Let me click on that create bot. Uh, we need to provide the name of the bot and description is optional. Let me name it as first. First bot. And once we provide all the details, then we can click on create and edit. So here we can choose the folder directory structure. Let's let me select the folder structure and let me click on confirm. Once we provide all the details, name, description, and directory structure, then we can click on edit. First bot. Once we click on create and edit, then we can see the development environment. So year 2019 has new UI. So it has three different development and environmental looks. So if you see here we have flow, list, and dual. So we can choose any one of the item and we can develop our own code. Let me choose list and let me type message box here. Let me drag and drop. In right side we can see all the properties of a message box. So whenever if we drag any one of the command from actions, then we can see all the corresponding properties of those actions in the right side panel. Let me enter hi bot. Let me save the task and let me quickly run the process. So in 2019 it will download all the uh, dependencies and it will execute the program. Let me quickly run the process. See, now it is uh, deploying to your computer and it will download all the dependencies and it will start the process now. Let's see. It is supposed to populate the message box stating that hi bot. Let's see. Yes, bot is running now. Yep. Here we have a message box and it is stating that message from bot, hi bot. Let me close the message box. Yes, your bot has run successfully. Let me close this window. And let's suppose if we want to auto close the message box, we can choose the checkbox close message box after, and here we can provide the seconds. Let me give 4 seconds and let me click on save and let me quickly run the process again and let's see. Now this time message box will auto save. Last time unless and until we click on OK, the message box will be in our screen. Now it will auto close. Yes, yes. Now you can see the window will automatically close in 3 seconds. Yes, task has been completed successfully. Um, Let me delete this command. me select and delete this command. And so today we will learn folders command in Automation Anywhere. Let me select the folders command. Folder. So here we have different uh, features available in folder command. So we can zip the folder, unzip the folder, copy the folder, create folder and delete folder, open folder and rename folder, and we can also create a shortcut. Let's have a look about all these commands. Let me drag create command first. So here let me provide a path. Let me go to documents and let me create a new folder called A2019, or let me copy this document. Sorry, documents is not responding. Sorry. So let me copy the path, and now I want to create a 2019 folder under new folder. So A2019. Let me select override. So let me quickly run the process. Now bot will deploy our task to our, and it will download all the dependencies of the corresponding action. See, downloading dependencies. It has 308 KB space required, so it is downloading the dependencies, and bot has processed. So see, your bot has run successfully. Let me close. Let's check the output. Yes. So bot has created a 2019 folder under new folder. Let's drag and drop open command. So let me copy this path. Let me provide the path over here. So the open command will open the corresponding directory structure, and we can see all the available files in that folder. Let me save and quickly run the process again. Now the first, it will download all the dependencies and it will deploy our task, and it will the first step, it will create a 2019 folder and a new folder, and if the folder exists it will override, and second step, it will open the A2019 folder. Let's see. Yes, task has been completed, and it has created a 2019 folder, and it has opened the corresponding folder. This is an empty folder, so you can see this folder structure. Let me close. Let me click on the close command. Now let's discuss about other features of folder structure. Mm, Let me quickly run this process and see. So now bot will create a 2019 folder under new folder, and it will open the directory Windows Explorer. Now it is downloading the dependencies. So the next step we will see the how to zip folder, how to unzip. Yes, so it has opened a 2019 folder. Let me create another folder. To create a subfolder, let me copy and paste it again. Let me rename a 2019 to. Now let me copy the input folder to a 2019. Let's select copy command. Let me choose input here, input and destination folder a 2019, and we can, if required, we can choose overwrite option as well. And this, we can also filter the data based on the size and date of modification or creation. Let me save and let me quickly run the process. Now deploying the task to our computer, and now it will download all the dependencies of folder command struct. Yes, now bot is running. Let's see, it is supposed to create an input folder and it is supposed to copy input folder from new folder to a 2019. Yes, it has created an input folder under it, under new folder, and it has copied new folder from there to a 2019 folder. So now up to here we have covered create folder, open folder, copy command, and let's see zip command now. Um, Let me zip input folder. Let me zip input folder and will save under the same directory structure, and let me name it as a.zip, and here we need to pass the password protection if it's optional. So in a 2019 we can pass the password protection option with high level security. So we can use either credential manager or variable, or we can also choose insecure string. Let me select insecure string and let me enter some password 1212. Let me save and quickly run the process now. To know more about credential wallet in system variables, how to create a folder structure in real-time scenarios, date stamp folder wise. So please drop your comments. If you have any queries and questions, please drop in a comment section. I will share more details. Let's see. Now what has zip input folder, and let me delete the input folder from here. So let me drag and drop the delete command, or you can double click the delete command as well. Let me delete input folder. Let me save this command. Let me delete all the folders under new folder. Let me run the process again. So now it is downloading dependencies each and every time. A2019 version will download the dependencies and it will run the task. Let's see. So bot has created A2019 folder, input folder, and copy the input folder from new folder to A2019 folder, and also bot has zipped the file of input folder as a .zip file. So let me unzip this zip file. For that, let me select unzip command or double click the unzip command. Here we need to pass the zip file folder path a.zip. We can also assign all these paths to variable. How to assign it to the path variables and credential wallet system variables. These all are I'll upload in upcoming sessions. So please subscribe and click on bell icon. Then you will never miss our updates. So we can also provide the extract to path. So we'll save under A2000 under new folder only, and we can also choose the replace existing files. And so while zipping, so we have provided insecure string, right? So we should have to pass the same password over here to unzip the files. Let me save. And instead of running all the commands, just we can run it from here also. Just click on these three dots and run from here. Then it will run that particular seventh line task only. Let's see. It is supposed to unzip, and it is supposed to unzip input folder. It is downloading dependencies, and yes, task has been completed successfully. Let's see input folder is available or not under new folder structure. Yes, we have new folder as well. Sorry, input folder. So now we have covered zip, unzip, create, delete, open, and let's see rename command. Let me provide the path A2019. Now we will rename A2019 to AA. Let's see. Let me provide the destination. Rename path as AA. Rename. AA rename. And let me save the task and run from this step. You click on run from here, it will execute that particular step only. Now it is deploying and it will download all the dependencies. So A2019 has packages for each and every command. We can also create our custom packages. So it is a lightweight process. Each and every time it will download the dependencies and it will run the process. So we can log in any system, and we can download the bot agent to run the process. So let's see. Yes, it has renamed A2019 folder as AA rename. Thanks for watching my video. For more updates, please subscribe. Uh, if you need any uh, further help, or if you have any queries, please drop your queries in comment section, or you can also reach out to me in the below mentioned contact details. Thanks for watching. Thank you.